everyone, I just wanted to quickly share with you how to select and schedule hours for Instacart if you are looking to make extra money. What you'll want to do is download the Instacart app and open it. Once you have this open and you're signed in, it will take you to your dashboard. On the top left of the page, there's going to be a hamburger menu. You'll click on that. If you scroll down a little, there's an hours option. You can click on hours, and this will show you the hours available for that current week you're in. So as you can see, this weekend, I can pick up some hours. If I wanted to go tonight, there is a wait list. And a wait list is basically if someone isn't able to go last minute, they'll go down the line to pick up those hours. So this is this current week. If you wanted to schedule something out till next week, you can click next week right here and schedule hours for next week. So I'm going to do this week and we'll do Saturday. So you just click on pick up hours. At the top of the page, these are different counties you can select. As you can see, some counties have more options than others. So if I hit Utah County, there's no time available for this Saturday. But if I go over to Heber, there's quite a few options to choose from. So I'll do like 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. On the right side of the page, that is how much extra you're going to get for choosing that shift. And that's usually because they either aren't as popular or there's a high demand for people to be shopping. So once you've selected your hours, you would just hit save on the top right corner. And now you can see the schedule, and it shows that from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. I have a shift in Heber City. So once my shift comes at 8 a.m., the app will actually text you and notify you. It'll say, this is where you need to go. Do you accept it or not? If you accept it, it will give you directions to the grocery store that you'll be shopping at. And you can read more about that on my blog at makingmoneymyway.com. But that is how you schedule your hours. And if you for some reason needed to cancel this, you can just click on the hours again. And it already has them selected. You would just hit cancel hours at the bottom of the page. It'll ask if you're sure. You hit cancel hours. Once you've done that, it will take you back to the schedule and it will show that you no longer have any hours with them. So that is how you schedule your shift with Instacart. Thanks, everyone.